In this video, we're making this delicious simple potato curry which is flavored with turmeric and cumin. These are all the ingredients you're going to need to make the potato curry, and they're very simple to find. So first add your oil to a pan and heat it on medium flame. Once the oil is hot enough, add in the cumin seeds. Let them splutter for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then add in the onion, the curry leaves, and the green chillies. Stir fry them for a minute. And then cover and cook on low flame till the onion is soft. This should take about 3 to 4 minutes. Once the onion has softened, you can add in the potatoes. Give them a stir. Then add in the turmeric powder and stir the potatoes until they are coated with the turmeric powder. Add in salt to taste. Mix that in as well. Then add in 3/4 cup of the hot water. Give everything a good stir. And cover and cook this on low flame for about 15 minutes. Make sure to give this a stir every 5 minutes so that the potatoes do not burn. After a total of 10 minutes, if you feel that the potatoes have dried, you can add in some hot water. This is up to your preference. If you want the curry to be a bit dry, you can skip this. Again, cook this for another 5 minutes. And your curry is done. Just add in your coriander leaves and mix those in. And then you can switch off the flame and serve this hot with some rice, roti or bread and enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed this simple recipe. Make sure to subscribe for new videos and I will see you soon. Bye.